are going to know about armature reaction. Armature reaction. Armature reaction is the effect of armature flux on the main flux. This effect reduces the generated voltage and also it produces spark over the commutator. The machine is being dismantled to show the cross-sectional view of the armature. For the sake of simplifying two-pole generator has been taken to study the effect of armature flux. North pole, south pole. Armature system. Brush. Commutator. Armature core. Armature conductor. The flux set up by main pole is shown when there is no current in the armature. The vector, that is Fm, indicates the direction and magnitude of main flux. The yellow arrows indicates that the current enters into the conductors. The violet arrows indicates that the current leaves from the armature conductors. The cross indicates the entering current, whereas dot indicates the leaving current. According to Gauss screw rule, the entering current creates rotating field in clockwise direction and leaving current produces rotating field in anti-clockwise direction. Now, we can see the interaction between armature and main flux. The combined armature flux aids the main flux under the upper half of the north pole and opposes the main flux under the lower half of the north pole. Hence, the flux lines in the upper half of the N pole are crowded. Whereas, the combined armature flux aids the main flux under the lower half of the south pole and opposes upper half of the south pole. Hence, the flux lines in the upper half of the S pole are thin and flux lines in the lower half of the S pole are crowded. So the resultant flux flows from the upper half of the north pole to the lower half of the south pole. Now the conductors are moving parallel to the flux lines at an angle theta, hence no EF